As students, it's an honor learning about the past and planning for the future. But in the present, faced with upcoming deadlines and assignments, it's quite easy getting lost in our work and forgetting to look after ourselves. Over the years, the percentage of university students seeking counseling has increased by 30%, indicating the urgency to address this issue in our academic-centered lives. Specifically, numerous studies have claimed the increasing prevalence of psychological burdens on students, and this video is to put that in context to make you aware of what is going on and protect yourselves from going down the wrong path. Take this for thought. 28% of students who sought counseling reported academic performance as a stressor, 31% reported relationship issues, 45% reported stress, 49% had depression, and 61% reported anxiety. From these factors alone, it seems evident that the rate of stress among students is increasing and posing a toll on their well-being. Several studies suggest that university students show a higher prevalence of mental health problems than their non-student peers, and loneliness is certainly a contributor. In stressful times, it's easy to self-isolate from those around you, and as you may imagine, this may potentially cause psychological effects. For instance, there is evidence suggesting an association between social isolation and depressive and anxious symptoms in university students, among other factors such as poor sleep, cognitive decline, and increased morbidity. But the good news is that we can do something about this. In fact, there's a psychological phenomenon termed the stress buffering model that argues social support functions as a buffer to mitigate the harmful effects of stress on an individual's well-being. So spending time with others and seeing the bigger picture would serve to buffer the association between perceived stress and the toll on an individual's well-being. Next time you find yourself studying and potentially isolating yourself from others, consider calling a friend and proactively engaging with others, perhaps over lunches or dinners. Otherwise, why not turn your academics into an opportunity? By developing professional networks, this not only breaks down social isolation, but it also contributes to your success. In other words, seek networking events and conferences, or simply study in a group. And of course, every now and then, escape from academia. Sometimes the best option is to meet people from outside your discipline to balance a professional and personal lifestyle. So next time you perceive yourself as stressed or isolated from peers, engage with others and see the bigger picture. The happiest life is a balanced life. Be mindful and always be kind to yourself. All references used are in the description box below.